Hello friends, welcome to new video. In this video, I will show how to fix Instagram post not showing problem. Let's see. Do not skip. Open on Google Play Store. Search Instagram application. Update Instagram app if showing on Play Store or App Store. Open on phone setting. Open on phone setting and scroll down. Click on apps. Tap on see all apps. Search Instagram app. Click on Instagram app. Tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear cache. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.